Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project RFID access control with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that, we need an RFID module with a card, an LCD display, jumper wires and Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project, we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. Connect the RFID, SDA and SCK to Arduino pins D10 and D13. Connect the MISO and MOSI to Arduino pins D12 and D11. Connect the RST and ground pins to Arduino pins D9 and ground. Connect 3.3 volt to Arduino pin 3.3 volt. Connect the LCD, SDA and SCL to Arduino pins A4 and A5. Connect LED pins to Arduino pins D6 and D7. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project, open the files, click the examples and go to the MFRC 522, then click the dump info. Upload the dump info program into the Arduino board. Put the card on the RFID sensor to check its UID number. Get the UID number from the serial monitor. Then convert the UID number into a decimal value and declare it in the specified variable in the program. Upload the Arduino code into the Arduino board. Test the access control system by using the RFID card. How is this utilized in a real-world scenarios? Students' library access. To gain entrance to the library, a student swipes their valid RFID card. If do not use your valid RFID card, you will be denied entry to the library. The same mechanism is used in this project. Thank you.